Your name, sir?
My name is right now Mashood Adebayo.
Okay. Tell us how long have you been part of this event, this program?
Since they started,
When did they start, sorry?
huh? I can't remember the date.
Like how many years?
At least 5 years.
Okay, tell us what
What AlBurhan
Yes.
is a Muslim organization that provides dawah to the majority of the Muslim people in the society. They do their program every year. Invite people from every local.
So far, how good have you participated in it? Has it benefited in any way?
3 years ago, I came. Last year I wasn't around.
Okay, what impact, what has it done? Has it changed your story in any way, changed your life in any way?
It must change everyone's life. So far you are a Muslim, either a woman or a man, it must change your life because what they do is to preach the gospel of Islam to people.
So it's Ramadan period, what message do you have to the Muslim people around?
Thank you very much. This is Ramadan time. My message is that we must practice what we learned during Ramadan. At least to be helpful to the needy, to the people around us. So after the Ramadan, we mustn't stop that. We have to continue. Help anybody who needs your help, either genuine or counterfeit.
Okay, what would you have to say in appreciation to the host of this event?
To the host?
Yes.
I really appreciate the host because he's propagating Islam. I really appreciate it.
Okay, your name is?
Right now, Mashood Adebayo.
Okay, who are you? Your portfolio?
I'm from Iwo.
Okay, thank you.